Hi there, Nancy. Well, Egypt's 2019 gets underway today. This is important because it is the largest oil and gas conference of its kind in the region, bringing together top minds in business and industry, including the likes of BP CEO Bob Dudley and the OPEC Secretary General Mohammed Barkindo, just to name a few. Now, of course, Egypt is not part of OPEC, but it does have observer status. In this exclusive interview with CNBC, I asked Petroleum Minister Tarek el Molla to give a verdict of sorts on the OPEC production cuts so far and where he thinks oil prices are going. Listen in.
The balance that is required between the producers and the consumers, I think that this is the effort that OPEC and OPEC Plus is doing in order to make sure that if prices of barrel of crude would increase significantly, we would see really, we start to see inflation and exaggeration in the slowdown of the consumption from the other side. If we see the prices going down below a certain price, we will see slowdown in investments. Actually, the fair equation is to have a balanced price between the producers and the consumers, whereby each party would be happy and to continue the growth of the global economy, let us say. So,
is that where prices are now, though, or does more work need to be done there?
I think that we are somehow close to the price where they are, and this is, of course, again, I don't want to say that the proper price are so far not known, because I don't want to say that it is more of speculations. It is the range between 60 and 70, somehow and somewhere in this bracket of price.
So do you think it's necessary to cut beyond the 1.2 million barrels?
No, I think they have just to reach this 1.2 practically, because I understand that it is not met so far. So if this 1.2 would be met practically and physically, I think it will adjust and will reach the desired outcome of price.
Egypt's Petroleum Minister Tarek el Molla speaking exclusively to CNBC earlier. Now, of course, Egypt does really look at the price of oil because it impacts a lot of things, including sentiment in the region, but in many ways it also has bigger fish to fry. That's because it is attempting to become a net exporter of natural gas. And since the discovery of the Zohr gas field here in 2015, interest in the region has been rising. Last year, Egypt signed $10 billion worth of exploration deals, and Tarek el Molla told me that he wants to replicate that again this year.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.